Welcome to Illumination 360, our pathway to help you achieve and maintain your perfect face with fillers. In this video, we'll be discussing the process of achieving your perfect face with a treatment plan. I like to call this process the pathway. The pathway is a stepped process where over several visits we're continually building on previous treatments with the constant goal of helping you achieve and then maintain your ideal facial shape. Everything starts with a treatment plan that we develop together during our initial consultation. Your treatment plan is designed to correct areas that are making you look tired or aged and to define key areas that will enhance your appearance. How long is this process? Well, that depends on a few factors: your anatomy, your goals, and your schedule. This is a great example of how the pathway works. This busy physician in San Francisco consulted with me about non-surgical ways to make his face look fresher. Anatomically, I saw lots of opportunity for his face. His cheeks and under eyes were primed for some correction, and his chin, cheekbones, and nose were all primed for some added definition.
The motivation was to get a better part of me, right? And the other motivation is I was going on a trip to Panama. So that was one of the pending motivations at the time.
So with his vacation in mind, and he wanted to look really great, but he needed to have minimal downtime, we started with 1 syringe of correction to his cheeks. And this gave him a noticeable improvement and represented the first of several steps in his trip. And during the second visit, we added some more correction under his eyes, and now added some definition to his cheeks, chin, and nose.
What Dr. Mabrie likes to do is he wants to do a small batch and then kind of builds up from there so that he can kind of see what his next approach will be, as opposed to giving you everything up front and maybe things not working out as they should. He's a little bit more pragmatic in his approach.
Having achieved his perfect face, now I see him for maintenance at 6-month intervals. Now this is a young lady who came in initially interested in only treating her lips. After reviewing her anatomy, we decided to use 1 syringe of Juvederm Ultra to her upper lip.
I originally started with my top lip, and then he had some suggestions on a treatment plan to continue with a full face.
I noticed on profile view that she had some collapse in the middle of her nose. And Illumination 360 is really about looking your best from all angles.
I had a little dip in my nose, and he straightened that out to where it's really smooth and sexy. Then we went in and did a little bit on my bottom lip too.
Returning again for a 3rd visit and having had such success with her nose and lips, we now expanded her goals to her full face. I performed some correction under her eyes and to her cheeks and added definition to her cheekbones and chin.
I trusted Dr. Mabrie's vision 100%. I never questioned or doubted the vision he was going with and the direction he was going with. I always felt confident, and I always felt like I was in good hands.
And so in summary, the pathway to your perfect face depends a lot on you. It depends on your anatomy, your goals, and your schedule. In the active phase, we'll see each other monthly until we achieve your perfect face. After that, we'll see each other at 6-month intervals for maintenance. I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to check out the other videos in the series. And until then, stay tuned and stay beautiful.